Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video featuring Rally Armor mud flaps for the Honda Civic Hatchback, my model being the non-sport. Here's the box you'll get when you receive your Rally Armor mud flaps. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find some nice packaging, which includes the mud flaps, of course, and the tools to do the job. These brackets here included will be used for mounting the rear flaps. So first off, you'll need to remove the original mud flaps off of your car, or if you don't have any, just the screws that are in the same place. One of the reasons I wanted to get new mud flaps was just because my OEM ones were a little scratched up and they weren't actually wide enough for my new wheels. Many people have been installing the mud flaps with their wheels off, but I found that there's enough room to just do it if you rotate your front tires from side to side whenever you need to, just to make that extra room. Here's what it'll look like once all of the OEM mud flaps are off, or once you've just removed all the screws and push clips in the area. Now, looking at the instructions provided by Rally Armor, they do have very detailed photos showing exactly what you need to do in case you need some extra help. Here's where you'll need to insert this orange tab. And on the top, you'll need to insert a white push tab that they include. And here's what it looks like once everything's bolted together. You can already see how much further these stick out versus the OEM ones, and that just makes it work a lot better for my wheels since they are wider. So for the rears, it was really tough to show anything since it was all located on the inside of the lining, but don't worry, the instructions they provided show exactly what to do step by step with pictures and descriptions of everything. You'll just need to insert your bracket right here and remove all the screws, of course, and then just tighten it all up. And then here's the final product. Hope you guys like how the final product turned out. Thanks to Rally Armor for providing the mud flaps for the video. If you guys are interested in checking them out or getting a set, they do offer different colors as well, which is really cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you guys are new here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.